Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. This is week 1 of the open category for the hair restoration in the Skin Games. With me, I have my model husband, Jessie. I did complete a 8-week case study. However, his results were not to my satisfaction. He did not have the hair growth that I was hoping for. We are restarting. We are doing an 8-week case study. We're going to be doing the Procell hair microchanneling with the hair system. And he's also going to be getting the post-treatment hair serum. And we're also going to be doing high-frequency Hydroinfusion, which is a 3-in-1 exfoliate, extract, and infuse. I am fingers crossed that we get the results that I really want. And I will introduce, again, my husband, Jessie.
Hi. Yeah, so I'm Jessie. I'm Brenda's husband, going on, 25 years?
25 years.
25 years, a long time. But always had a thick head of hair. For the past couple of years, it's starting to thin around the top and kind of in the back a little bit. And so a lot of times I just shave my head rather than let it grow, because you can tell the balding process is starting to happen. So the last case study we did, I did have a little bit of hair growth, but again, not up to the satisfaction, I think, of what we both wanted to see. So starting this new treatment, new devices, new product line, and new home care line that should have exceptional results, which I'm excited to see.
I am confident because Procell does have a serum post-treatment that's specific for hair restoration. I am hoping for this 8-week study that we will achieve the results that we're wanting to achieve. So come along with us on this journey for this 8-week case study in the open category, hair restoration of the Skin Games. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. Bye.